We'll guide you through how to optimize your Wix website SEO using the most current methods and UI elements for 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard and click on the SEO Tools section in the left-hand menu. Here, you can access the SEO Wiz, which is a great tool to set up your site's SEO fundamentals. Click on Get Started and enter your business name and keywords that best describe your website. These keywords are crucial as they help search engines understand what your site is about. After that, the SEO Wiz will generate a personalized SEO plan for you. This plan includes essential steps like optimizing your homepage title, description, and utilizing headings effectively. Make sure your homepage title includes your main keywords and is compelling enough to attract clicks. Next, you need to go to the Site Pages section, and for each important page, click on Settings, and then SEO Basics. Here, fill in the title and description with relevant keywords while keeping them engaging and concise. It's important to update all your pages with unique titles and descriptions to avoid duplication. Additionally, ensure that your images have alt text with descriptive keywords. This not only helps with SEO but also makes your site more accessible. You should also connect your site to Google Search Console through the Marketing Integrations section. This allows you to submit your sitemap and monitor your site's performance on Google. Don't forget to take advantage of Wix's built-in SEO analytics tools to track your progress and make necessary adjustments. Regularly updating your content and staying informed on the latest SEO trends is key to maintaining good search rankings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.